Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add another TikTok account quickly and easily. Whether you want to use a second account for business, content creation, or personal use, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Next, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, tap your username at the top of the screen. This will open the account menu. Now, tap Add Account. If you want to create a brand new TikTok account, select Sign Up and follow the on-screen instructions. If you already have another TikTok account, scroll down and tap Already Have an Account? Log in. Choose your preferred sign-in method, such as your phone number, email, Google, Apple, or Facebook. Then enter your login information. After you sign in, TikTok will automatically switch to your newly added account. Whenever you want to change accounts, simply tap your username again and select the account you want to use. And that's it. You've successfully added another TikTok account. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more TikTok tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.